So the tank is located on the right hand side of the printer here. Let's go ahead and pull the tray. I believe it's pulled down here. Yep, just like that. Take your finger here, your index finger, put towards the blue latch, and then just pull towards you just to open it. And again, we just make sure we have the right color here. This is the Epson 522 ink bottle, and then all we have to do is just open it. Again, make sure you don't squeeze it. Now, once you have it open, you'll see here that there's a cutout at the top. Just all you have to do is just line it up. We just flip this over, and again, you don't have to push down or anything. You just slide right into the slot, and then you just leave it, and then you just let gravity take care of the rest. So that process happens pretty quickly. It filled up. You'll know that it's filled once it's at the top, or as you can hear or not hear, like you don't hear any other sounds of it emptying out. So I guess that's another quick tip for you. Removing the bottle is pretty simple. All you have to do is just take, again, your thumb and your index and then just lift up. Go ahead and close this back up now. Gently push down. Next up is yellow. We have the bottle open. Let's go ahead and just flip it. It just goes in one way. And again, we just let gravity take care of the rest. Close this back and let's repeat the process for the other two. And last up is the cyan color. Go ahead and close this up. Make sure they're all back in there, and then you just close back up the panel. And once the tank is all filled, it says go ahead and hold the question mark here for 5 seconds. So let's go ahead and do that now. And now, what icon is that? Let's look for the start icon here. Now this process will take about 11 minutes. Just make sure your printer doesn't power off or anything.